Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up out-of-office replies in Outlook. So here we are in Outlook. Again, I'm using Outlook 2016. If you're on 365, your screen might look a little bit different than this, but in general, it should be about the same. So to set up my out of office, I have to go to File, and then right off of the main screen here, I have an automatic replies option. So I'll go ahead and select that. And the times where you'll want to use out of office messages are anytime you know that you'll be out for an extended period of time. So a vacation, paternity or maternity leave, anything where you'll be out for more than a day or two, you'll want to go ahead and set up an out of office so the folks reaching out to you know when they could expect a reply back. So I'm going to be out of the office next week, so I'm going to go ahead and set up my out of office for that. The first thing I need to do is unselect Do Not Send Automatic Replies and select Send Automatic Replies. And further, because I know what dates I'll be out of the office, I'm going to go ahead and select Only Send During this time range. And again, I'm going to be out of the office next week, so I'll make the start time Monday the 5th. I'll start it nice and early. Let's call it 4 a.m. And I'm going to make the end time Friday of that week. So I'll go Friday the 9th, and I'll go all the way into the evening, 11:30 p.m. And then again, you have two options. Inside my organization, which is the out of office that anybody from the UGOC domain will see, and outside of my organization, which is anybody who's not on the UGOC domain will see. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my old out of office from when I took some time off during New Year's, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my inside my organization out of office. So here you can see that I'm out of the office, and if you have any urgent requests, you should reach out to Matt, which is great for inside the organization. I've given everybody another resource that they could reach out to. For outside my organization, I'm going to go ahead and change it up a little bit. I don't want Matt to be bombarded with emails that aren't related to UGOC, so I'm just going to go ahead and take out this last message so people outside of the organization know I'm still out of the office, and I'll be replying when I get back. So that's all there is to setting up out of offices. So I have this one for outside the organization and this one for inside. So I'll go ahead and select OK. And that is all set up now. I could take it one step further. I could go into automatic replies and I could hit rules. So from here, we could get really fancy and do all kinds of things. So by clicking add rule, if for example, I want any message that comes in where the subject contains urgent, I can have that automatically forwarded to someone else. So in this case, maybe I want subjects that contain the word urgent to go to Tracy. So I could set that up and I can click OK. And now I have that rule here. So in addition to this, letting folks know that they could reach out to Matt, or in addition to this, where folks know I'm out of the office, now regardless of if someone from inside the organization or from outside the organization emails with subject containing urgent, that'll automatically go to Tracy. And if we go back into rules, first I'm going to delete this one just because I don't think Tracy wants to receive my emails. But if we hit add rule again, we could see all of the various options here. So if it comes in from someone specific and you want it to forward, or if it comes in from someone specific and you want to alert, or you want to copy it to a different folder, you can set all of that up here. So lots of great options for creating rules for automatic replies. So if you're really out for an extended period of time, if you know you're going to be out for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even longer, definitely something to consider here, as it'll help keep your inflow of emails organized and going to the right place. So again, in terms of my out of office, all I really need is the inside my organization and outside my organization message. And with that, I am all done, and I can be sure that next week, anytime an email comes in, those folks will receive a reply and know exactly who to direct their email to. And that wraps up this week's video. I hope next time you're out of the office for an extended period of time, you make use of this functionality, and I'll see you all next week with another Tech Tutorial Tuesday.